pieces here. Let's go put them on. What I have here, just making some baskets. I got 2x4s and basically cut them down. So if you picture this, like that, and then double that. That's basically 2x4, more or less. Okay, I cut them on both on the table saw and well, it's a little bit more, but you get the idea. These are all cut down, long strips, and then cut down to this size. And the crappy ones, like I have here, these broken ones and stuff, they're great to start fires. So in camping season, they're great for kindling. So one 2x4, I think I can make probably, for sure, 2 baskets, if not 3. Probably 3 baskets. Each basket, well, depending on what size you do as well too. So the ones I'm doing are quite big, so it'll do 3 baskets. And then also 2x2s you can get, or you can just make your own 2x2, and you just basically cut them down the middle, like so. If you can see that. Yeah, so I just cut them down the middle for the insides. I did make other methods, and I'll show it later on. But I'm going to try this method here. I think it's the most cost effective, and you don't need any solid wood on the ends, and basically just using this. Alright, let's get cracking. You wonder what I'm listening to? I'm listening to Aki. These are headsets I bought from Amazon probably about 3 years ago. They last only 6 hours. The battery's amazing on these little things. They're great. And they reduce the sound. So when I have these on, it actually helps me with the cutting the saws and the sanders and everything. It really reduces the sound by a lot. Not maybe like a professional ones, but I'd say enough that wouldn't cause any damage to my ears. So they're great. They're not sponsoring me. I didn't get these for free or anything, and they're not paying me. I just think they're a great value. On Amazon, you can't get them for that price anymore. It was under 20 bucks I paid, so they're about the cheapest ones I've seen there, I think like 39 bucks, something like that, or 29 bucks. I'm not 100% sure. You have to check the Aki. These headsets are amazing. You can get 3 out of them, and depending on the size, you can probably get more. And if you use the ends, which I'll show you after, I use solid ends on a couple of them that I made. You can get a lot more than that. Those are worth it because it's pretty quick, but then you have to have solid ends. So, anyways, this is the cheapest way I found to do it. I think it looks good. Nothing wrong with it. Is it worth it? No. $10 for the time it takes me to do it. It's not worth it. But I'm doing a bunch of them, and with COVID, I don't want to go to the store. And if you add up 1, 2, 3, I'm probably gonna make about 10 of these. So at the store box office, that's $100 plus tax. Now it's worth it. That's how much I'm making of these. So if you're doing 1, not worth it. If you're doing 10, definitely worth it, because with 10, I can get 3 out of 1 2x4. That means I can get 2 2x4s 6. 3 2x4s 9. Let's say 4 2x4s with some, miscellaneous, because you're gonna get parts that are not gonna be great. Where the knots are, they break. So let's say 4 2x4s at $3.50. You save yourself, let's say even 20. You save yourself $80. So then it's worth it. For one, $10. I just go spend the $10. But for 10 of them or more, yes, definitely worth me. I changed the way I fastened the bottom from 45-degree angle to just another slot beside it, glued and stapled together. And I didn't have that 45 in the bottom, just made it a little bit better. Either way, it was fine. It was really easy project to make, and have a whole bunch of baskets now I'm going to be using on my trailer and in my home for storage. Thank you for watching.